Limoncello is a really popular liqueur, especially as a digestive after dinner. But how do you use it in cocktails? Today on Let's Talk Drinks, I'm going to show you 4 super tasty and easy to make limoncello cocktails. Welcome back, guys. So I've been extremely lucky to have the guys from Manly Spirits here in Australia send me a bunch of spirits and liqueurs, and one of the ones that they've sent me is their limoncello. I'm about to try it. It's zesty limoncello. I'm going to do a review on it as well later on, so check out for that video. And I'm going to make 4 super tasty cocktails with this limoncello. And you know what? I'm actually going to give it a try first up so that I know sort of what I'm dealing with. Damn, all right, better than what I thought. Okay, so the first drink that I'm going to make is a drink called Lemony. I found this one on Difford's Guide. If you haven't been on diffordsguide.com, check it out. It's great. I'm not sponsored by them, but I get great information from that website. So check it out if you haven't. First thing that I need is 60 mils of a dry gin. I'm going to use the Manly Spirits Australian dry gin, which also has maritime botanicals from the Sydney area, and it's 60 mils. Oh, I have tried this one. Very, very salty, delicious gin, this one. So, all right, next up, I'm going to use 15 mils of the limoncello. And a special shout out to Erica from Manly Spirits saying, hey George, can you do some reviews and videos? More than happy to get stock and showcase it for you on my videos. Next up, I'm going to use 15 mils of yellow Chartreuse. Bit sugary, the lid on that. 15 mils. Then I'm going to use 15 mils of fresh lemon juice that I squeezed earlier. And I'm going to do about 10 to 15 mils of just water. Just a little bit of dilution in there as well. If you have really wet ice, you don't need to add the water. Add some ice to that. And give it a shake. All right, nice and cold there. So I'm going to double strain this into a coupette glass that I've chilled down. I'll get rid of some of that little ice flakes that are in there. And my garnish for this is just a maraschino cherry. All right, let's give this one a try. Oh, that salty gin's definitely coming through. Yeah, really, really good. I could actually, for myself, probably go, say, maybe 5 mils of sugar syrup for that. Actually, maybe not. It's sweetening up now. It's amazing how the drink changes in your mouth. Really, really nice. It's kind of, I guess, a twist on an Alaska. It's got the gin. It's got the yellow Chartreuse, but then adding that lemon juice and the limoncello works really, really well. Refreshing, boozy. I could see myself drinking a few of these and being extremely happy. Yeah, that's definitely a winner for me, so give that one a try. Limoncello cocktail number 2. This is going to be a coconut lemon drop. This is one that I've created, and I think it's super tasty. We're going to use a Manly Spirits Botanical Vodka. So it's actually a vodka that's got beautiful Aussie botanicals. 40 mils. Next up, we're going to use 20 mils of the Manly Limoncello. So as you can tell, this is a twist on the lemon drop, but I think coconut and lemon works really well together. 20 mils of fresh lemon juice that I squeezed earlier. Last but not least, I'm going to use some Monin coconut syrup. I'm going to do probably about 10 to 12 mils. So I don't want it to dominate the flavor as well. Add some ice to that. We'll give it a shake. Oh yeah, nice and cold. So I'm just going to give it a taste first, because I've never used the Manly botanical vodka. Oh, yum. Sort of got a little bit of a different nuttiness than the coconut that I normally get from it. Let me just see what the botanicals are. Wattle seed, orange peel, yeah, cardamom. Awesome. That wattle seed gives a nice earthy sort of nuttiness, just another dimension. I'm really happy that I used that. So I'm going to now give it a double strain into a coupette glass. And for my garnish, I will use just a lemon twist. Let's give it a try. Oh, yeah, really well balanced. Yeah, coconut, wattle seed, lemon, the vodka's coming through. That's another winner. Okay, limoncello cocktail number 3. I'm going to use a few different flavors that you think won't work, but they absolutely do. This is the Pick Me Up Gin and Tonic, and the first thing that I'm going to use is the Manly Coastal Gin. And we're going to do 30 mils. This will work really well with the limoncello as well, with the fresh coriander and the lemon aspen that's used in the botanicals. Then I'm going to do some coffee liqueur by Manly as well. And I'm going to do about 20 mils. Then I'm going to do, once again, 20 mils of the Manly limoncello. Then 20 mils of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Coffee and lemon, right? Let's give it a try. Shake it up first. Okay. Really quick shake for this one. We're going to serve this up in a highball, so it's going to be a nice, tall, refreshing gin and tonic serve. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to top it off with another Australian product, the Cappy Tonic Water, and just a lemon zest as a garnish. Straw. All right, now let's try it. Now what I suggest is that you do give it a little bit of a stir, because, well, we want that tonic water to work its way around the cocktail. Yeah, the coffee, the lemon, the gin, the tonic water has that slight bitterness to it as well. Gives you a bit of a pickup with the coffee that's in the liqueur. Another winner, guys, it's the Pick Me Up Gin and Tonic. Worth a try. And lucky last, I cannot do limoncello cocktails without making a lemon cheesecake. So I'm going to start with the limoncello. I'm going to do 30 mils or 1 ounce for our American viewers. Don't forget, guys, please subscribe. Give us a like if you like the show and like what we're doing. It would be fantastic. Going to do 20 mils, I'm going to do 30 mils of Liqueur 43 or Liqueur 43. Just add that really nice vanilla to the cocktail. Now we've got 2 shots here, 2 ounces of liqueur, so we need to balance that out with a little bit of sourness as well. I'm going to do 20 mils of lemon juice. I'm not doing 30 because this is going to be a creamy cocktail and I don't want it to curdle too much. 30 mils of fresh cream, or full cream as you call it in the US, and we'll give that a shake. All right, strained into a chilled cocktail glass or coupette. I'm going to double strain this one. And I'm going to give it just 3 dashes, drops as a garnish on top. of Angostura bitters. Just add a little bit of a bitter element to that as well. Let's give that a try. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. The bitters actually helps. It adds a little bit of sort of some spice, sort of cinnamon allspice to it as well. It's like a liquid dessert. So yeah, guys, that is 4 limoncello cocktails. Once again, special thank you to Manly Spirits. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any other limoncello recipes, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.